What if I told you that the biggest scandal in Hollywood right now was actually planned? A wild theory suggests that Colleen Hoover herself might have planted a false story about Justin in order to get the rights to It Ends With Us back. And the craziest part, the movie was already a hit. From the moment it came out in theaters to the moment it hit Netflix, it was a hit. So let's break this down. This theory actually started with a viral Reddit post claiming that Hoover's contract with Justin Baldoni included a morality clause. This clause supposedly allowed her to take back the rights to It Ends With Us if, only if, Baldoni was involved in a major scandal, which is what he's going through right now, especially something as serious as sexual harassment. So the accusations he's going through right now could be part of that morality clause. But here's where things get dark. Colleen Hoover started her own production, Heartbones Entertainment. When? 2024. What if the scandal was planned? Think about it. It Ends With Us was a massive box success. But what if Hoover regretted selling the rights? What could she do? If Baldoni was accused of something serious, his entire career could be destroyed, and she could legally reclaim her story. And guess what? That's exactly what's happening right now. So this might be far-fetched, it's just a theory, but the timing is definitely suspicious. Think about it, the movie was a hit, yet suddenly these accusations appear out of nowhere. I mean, if you ask me, you start your own production company, the director, the person that you sold your movie to, is now accused of sexual harassment. If there is a morality clause within that contract, might be something worth investigating.